In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Isometric drafting lets you represent 3D looking objects using 2D tools by aligning your cursor and grid to isometric angles, so your lines naturally follow the left, right, bane, and top faces of an object. It's quick, clean, and perfect for visuals like pipes, housings, and simple mechanical parts. First, let's switch AutoCAD into isometric mode. Look to the status bar at the bottom of your screen and click the isometric icon. If you prefer the keyboard, type IsoDraft and press the spacebar. AutoCAD will prompt you to choose an isoplane direction. Pick the one that matches the face you want to start with, left, right, or top. As soon as you do, you'll notice your crosshair tilts, and if you have the grid on, it shifts to isometric as well. That's your confirmation you're ready for isometric input. Now you can start drawing with your usual tools, just like you would in orthographic mode. Grab the line tool and sketch your edges along the current isoplane. Because your cursor is aligned to isometric angles, your lines will naturally follow the correct orientation, making it easy to outline edges and corners. Object snaps still work, so feel free to use endpoints, midpoints, and intersections to keep everything precise. Zoom and pan behave exactly the same, so navigate as you normally would. While you draw, you'll often need to switch faces. For example, from the left face to the top face. The fastest way is to press F5 on your keyboard. Each press cycles through the available isoplanes, so you can keep drawing without stopping to change settings. If F5 doesn't seem to respond, check whether your keyboard has a function lock key and make sure it's enabled. As you work, a quick tip: pick your isoplane before you place the first point of a line. That way, your next segment follows the correct angle immediately. If a segment doesn't look right, cancel, switch isoplane with F5 and try again. Consistent isoplane choices make edges align cleanly and help your drawing read correctly. When you're finished with isometric drafting and want to return to a flat, orthographic workspace, type IsoDraft again, press the spacebar, and choose orthographic. Your crosshair and grid will return to their standard horizontal and vertical layout, and you can continue with regular 2D drafting. That's all you need to start isometric drawing in AutoCAD. Enter isometric mode, draw with your usual tools, switch isoplanes with F5 as needed, and switch back to orthographic when you're done.